In this video, I'll break down my top 5 knife sharpeners, my experiences, and which knife sharpeners I found to be the best. I'll go in descending order, starting with the 5th ranked knife sharpener, and at the end of the video, you'll find out which one, in my opinion, is the best knife sharpener and ranked at number 1. If you're wanting to check prices of each of the knife sharpeners, check out the links in the description as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. At number 5, we have the WorkSharp Precision Adjust Knife Sharpener. The WorkSharp Precision Adjust Knife Sharpener stands out for its precise angle control, adjustable from 15 to 30 degrees in 1 degree increments, allowing for tailored sharpening of both outdoor and kitchen knives. This manual system features a tri-abrasive rod, including 3 abrasives, a 320 grit diamond for repairing, a 600 grit diamond for sharpening, and a fine ceramic for honing. The V-block clamp securely holds the knife, enhancing safety and consistency, and the sharpener can be used with or without its base, making it versatile for field or home use. Its compact design does not require electricity, promoting ease of use anywhere. The magnetic attachment for the sharpening rod simplifies adjustments and maintenance, ensuring a clean, efficient sharpening process. Overall, this sharpener provides a high-quality, durable option for maintaining sharp blades. At number 4, we have the Mueller 4-in-1 Knife Sharpener. The Mueller 4-in-1 Knife Sharpener stands out for its versatility, accommodating both Asian and standard knives, as well as scissors, which is a significant advantage for those with a diverse set of kitchen tools. Its 4-stage sharpening process is designed to reshape every angle of the knife with precision, ensuring a sharp and rejuvenated edge. However, it's important to note that achieving the desired sharpness can be time-consuming and requires a firm, steady grip for optimal use. While the sharpener is praised for its robust construction and ease of use, it tends to remove a considerable amount of steel from the knife edge, which could be a concern for those looking to preserve their knives' longevity. Despite these considerations, the Mueller 4-in-1 Knife Sharpener offers a practical solution for maintaining the sharpness of various knives and scissors in the kitchen. At number 3, we have the Presto Zero 8810. The Presto Zero 8810 professional electric knife sharpener stands out for its affordability and 3-stage sharpening system, which is quite rare at its price point. This electric sharpener is designed with saphirite grinding wheels and offers an easy-to-use interface with interchangeable blade guides that enhance its versatility for different types of knives. Its construction includes a sturdy plastic body with suction cups that prevent slipping during use, ensuring stability and safety. The sharpener effectively restores dull blades to a sharper state, although it may not achieve the professional-grade sharpness some users might expect. It also features an adjustable blade selector that caters to various blade thicknesses, from thick hunting knives to thin paring knives. Overall, the Presto Zero 8810 provides a practical solution for regular home use, combining ease of maintenance with effective performance. At number 2, we have the Chef's Choice 15/16 EdgeSelect. The Chef's Choice 15/16 EdgeSelect is an exceptional electric knife sharpener that delivers an ultra-sharp 15-degree edge. Its 3-stage sharpening system utilizes 100% diamond abrasives, the hardest natural substance, to sharpen knives faster and more effectively. The first stage creates the primary bevel using medium diamond abrasives, while the second stage shapes a smaller bevel with finer abrasives. The final stage employs patented flexible stropping discs to polish the edge, resulting in a razor-sharp finish. Precision angle guides ensure accurate sharpening from bolster to tip, eliminating guesswork. This sharpener can convert traditional 20-degree edges to a more precise 15-degree angle for improved cutting performance. It works seamlessly on both straight and serrated blades, making it a versatile choice for any kitchen. At number 1, we have the WorkSharp MK2. The WorkSharp MK2 professional electric sharpener stands out for its adjustable sharpening system, which allows for precise control over blade angles, making it versatile for various types of knives and tools. This sharpener uses a 2-speed motor and flexible abrasive belts, enabling both coarse and fine sharpening. The inclusion of different grit belts, P80, P220, and 6000 caters to everything from heavy-duty sharpening to fine honing. One notable feature is the redesigned angle guide, which combines previous models' guides into one, offering settings of 20 and 25 degrees. This design simplifies the process and ensures consistent results. However, the the motor only operates when the trigger is squeezed, which might require some getting used to. Overall, the MK2 provides professional-grade sharpening with a user-friendly interface, making it a reliable tool for both enthusiasts and professionals. So that sums up my top 5 knife sharpeners I hope you enjoyed. You can check out other top 5 videos on my channel by clicking below.